Before moving towards Kufa, some say it was before moving towards Kufa, some historians say after moving towards Kufa. Aisha radiallahu anha gets the news about the demise of Uthman radiallahu anhu, and she pitches her tent outside Medina. She refused to enter into Medina and says, I will not enter into Medina until qisas and revenge is taken from these people who have killed our Khalifa, our leader Uthman radiallahu anhu. The other Sahaba were saying that we cannot do this until we have the ability and the capability to do so. So therefore let us establish the Khilafah first, let us establish the leadership, the Imarat, and thereafter we will resolve the issues that we have in Medina. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, when she pitched her camp outside Medina, some people say it was outside Kufa. Nevertheless, Ali radiallahu anhu sends a group of Sahaba and Tabi'een that go and peacefully welcome these people into Medina. Welcome the camp of Aisha, because I fear that the rebels will now attack the next best person they see. They will attack to create more chaos within Medina and the outskirts of Medina. So these people were sent at night. Aisha radiallahu anha and the other Sahabas, they had their resolutions. They said, we will not enter until these things. So they had a demand, and which was rightfully so. Nevertheless, the night had befallen them, so both the groups and the parties camped outside Medina, thinking that the next day we will continue our discussions and try and resolve the issue. Before Fajr Salah, the next day, the camp of Aisha radiallahu anha was attacked. Now by who was it attacked? From the history we come to know that those people that killed Uthman radiallahu anhu, these were the same people trying to fuel and instigate amongst the common Muslims or the sincere Muslims. So before Fajr, it is mentioned that Aisha radiallahu anha's camp was attacked and Sahaba became up in arms. Obviously, if you are being attacked, then what you will do? You will take revenge and you will try and defend yourself. And both these groups of Sahaba and Tabi'een went into a clash. The fuel that was thrown upon them was by these very rebels. That they did not want the Muslims to come together or unite in a way that they said, if the Muslims will unite, or if these sincere Sahaba and Tabi'een will unite, then they will get to know about our matters. They will start looking for us. They will start searching for us, who we are. So it is mentioned that it's called the Battle of Jamal. The reason why it's named the Battle of Jamal, that Aisha radiallahu anha was in a hoda upon a camel, and the legs of the camel was chopped off. Now this legs of the camel was chopped off by Sahaba radiallahu anhum themselves. Why? Because they did not want someone to take this camel away from the battlefield. If someone takes this camel away, then we would never know where Mu'mineen has gone. The group of Ali radiallahu anhu then was victorious. They took the hoda of Aisha radiallahu anha and they respectfully brought her into Medina. Nevertheless, many Sahaba's lives were lost, because now they both, not the Sahaba, but these rebels fueled such a situation that they both were up in arms without knowing who is who. When Aisha radiallahu anha comes into Medina, she listens to the entire situation and she was informed of what had happened and now what will be the next approach. So then she sided with Ali radiallahu anhu. Many other Sahaba sided with Ali radiallahu anhu. But still, because communication back then was very difficult to pass a message on to the next person. These days you don't have FaceTime. You can just FaceTime the whole country and save your country. You can't do that. So nevertheless, Ali radiallahu anhu managed to secure the confidence of Aisha radiallahu anha and the other Sahaba radiallahu anhum. But at the same time, Muawiyah radiallahu anhu and Amr ibn al-As, who were far away in Damascus, they didn't know what is going to happen. So then Ali radiallahu anhu moves his Khilafah from Medina to Kufa.